Hello there, Amazon. This is Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are looking at the best breast pumps on all of Amazon. You guys, this is the Evenflo Deluxe Advanced Double Electric Breast Pump. This is an amazing product. It is designed and recommended by mothers and breastfeeding experts. They really thought of everything, and this deluxe package comes with several breastfeeding accessories, everything that you need if you are pumping on the go. You guys, this is one of the quietest pumps on the market. It was designed especially to be very, very quiet and very, very discreet. So if that is important to you, then this is the one that you need. Furthermore, you guys, I love that this has 3 different power sources. So again, if you are on the go, this is a great option for you because you can use it with battery, plug, or the car adapter. So especially if you're someone that has a commute and you might be pumping in the car, amazing option, plus the battery, plus the plug. Anywhere you go, this can go with you. And again, the deluxe package, I highly recommend, has the bags and storage, refrigerated storage, and the bag tote to take all of this with you. If you're pumping on the go, this is a great set. If you know a new mom that it will be, then this is a great gift option. Definitely, you guys, this has a lot of great reviews. It's a great product, designed and recommended by mothers and breastfeeding experts, so you know you're going to be happy with the quality. Check it out, put it in your cart, put it on your registry. You're going to be really happy that you did.